done. Get her done.
That's a movie, isn't it?
No, that's fucking cable iron, whatever it is. No. Well,
This is Mike putting in the bracket for the stove there.
why are you putting in the bracket
The
there right
furnace.
now? You don't even know what you're done. Yeah, so we're right here.
Massive Hulkster beyond belief.
Sasquatch.
Naked Sasquatch.
Yeah.
Ooh, fire. Fire, fire. It's raining, but yeah, we've got a fire going. Thanks to Pat's pyrotechnic skills. Pyrotechnical. The gas is on. It's all put in. We're getting ready to try it now for the first time. Mike's gonna do it.
There's gotta be a way to purge the gas, but I don't know how to do it.
Are you sure the valve's on?
Yep.
All right, it's fired up. It's cooking. We've got flame.
Well done, guys.
It's going. We are taking a look at it through the video camera right now.
Cooking out some meat.
Yeah. It is. Doesn't it get too hot on the back though?
No, the flames just push it.
It's designed that way. Just how do you turn this light off?
It's probably a switch on the side.
Okay, so it's safe to say we can run that off.
I think so.
We have finally reached total achievement. We got the fire going. This is the inside of the cabin. There's the kitchen table. There's Mike. Ooh, out of focus.
I got your focus stick out there.
Hold on.
There's the stove. There's food cooking on it. And there's the new propane furnace cooking away.